Eye-opening, empowering, game-changing. What if a few simple changes to your personal finance habits could help you achieve goals you never thought possible? Have you ever wondered how to turn your income into a tool for wealth creation? In today's video, I'll walk you through how I made $10,000 in a month with personal finance tips that anyone can start using today. Stick with us till the end and you'll be amazed to see just how achievable it is. Step 1. Choose a high-income hustle that solves problems. Are you chasing trends or choosing a hustle that works for you? Many people get this wrong by following what's popular instead of what's effective. The secret is to find a hustle that aligns with your skills and solves a real problem people are willing to pay for. For me, it started with digital services. I offered skills I already had, like creating marketing strategies and consulting small businesses on growth. I knew these were areas where people needed help, and they were ready to pay for results. Think about what you can do today. Can you teach a skill, provide a service, or create something valuable? Start small and focus on what you're good at, but make sure it's something people need and will pay for immediately. Step 2. Create a 30-day action plan. Do you have a plan, or are you just winging it? Without a step-by-step strategy, hitting $10,000 in a month is nearly impossible. My plan was simple but focused. In the first week, I researched my target market and identified people who could benefit from my services. I built a basic offer that directly addressed their needs. The second week was all about outreach, sending messages, posting on social media, and letting people know what I could do for them. By the third week, I refined my approach, taking feedback and improving my pitch. In the final week, I doubled down on what worked and closed as many deals as possible. Make your own 30-day plan. Break it down week by week. Identify your goals, track your progress daily, and adjust when necessary. Step 3. Use social media to build momentum. Are you using social media to grow your income, or are you just scrolling for fun? Social platforms are powerful tools if used correctly. I started by creating posts that highlighted the value of my services. For example, I shared quick tips, success stories, and testimonials from happy clients. I used platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn to connect with potential customers, and I was consistent. Every day, I spent time responding to comments, answering messages, and building relationships. If you're just starting, focus on 1 or 2 platforms where your audience hangs out. Be clear about what you offer, show up consistently, and engage with your followers. You don't need to go viral. Just connect with people who genuinely need your help. Step 4. Price your services smartly. Do you know how much your work is worth? Many people undercharge because they fear rejection, but this only holds you back. When I first started, I priced my services competitively but not cheaply. I made sure to communicate the value I was providing, such as saving clients time or helping them grow their business. Over time, I increased my rates as I gained experience and built trust with my audience. Don't be afraid to charge what your work is worth. If you're solving a real problem and delivering results, people will pay for it. Step 5. Focus on customer relationships. Are you treating your clients like numbers or as valuable partners? Building strong relationships is key to long-term success. Every time I got a new client, I made sure to go above and beyond. I asked questions to understand their needs, stayed in touch regularly, and delivered more value than they expected. This approach not only helped me earn repeat business, but also led to referrals, which brought in even more clients. Take care of your customers. Happy clients will do the marketing for you through word of mouth. Step 6. Reinvest in growth. What are you doing with the money you earn? If you want to keep growing, you need to reinvest in your hustle. When I started making money, I didn't spend it all. Instead, I used a portion of my earnings to upgrade my tools, invest in marketing, and even hire help for small tasks. These investments made my work more efficient and allowed me to take on more clients. Reinvestment isn't just about spending, it's about strategic spending. I researched the best tools, courses, and services that aligned with my goals. Every dollar I reinvested brought returns in the form of more opportunities and higher earnings. Set aside some of your earnings for growth. Whether it's buying better tools, learning new skills, or outsourcing tasks, reinvestment will help you reach higher income levels and create a cycle of continuous improvement. Step 7. Budget smartly to keep what you earn. Are you in control of your spending, or does your money disappear as fast as you make it? Making $10,000 is great, but keeping it is just as important. I used a simple budgeting system to manage my money effectively. I divided my income into categories: taxes, savings, reinvestment, and personal expenses. This way, I always knew where my money was going and I avoided overspending. I also reviewed my budget weekly, looking for areas to optimize. For instance, if I noticed I was spending too much on dining out, I adjusted by meal prepping more meals. These small adjustments added up over time and helped me retain more of my hard-earned cash. Take the time to create a budget that works for you. It doesn't need to be complicated. Just make sure you're tracking your money and saving for the future. Step 8. Use tools and outsourcing to save time. Are you trying to do everything yourself? This is a common mistake that slows you down and limits your growth. As my workload increased, I started outsourcing tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media posts. Hiring help for these tasks freed up my schedule and allowed me to focus on activities that directly increase my income, like client meetings and project work. I also use tools like Canva for graphic design, Google Workspace for organization, and automation apps for repetitive tasks. These tools didn't just save time, they elevated the quality of my work and gave me a competitive edge. Look at your daily tasks. What can you delegate or automate? Freeing up your time will allow you to focus on growing your income, scaling your hustle, and achieving your financial goals faster than ever before. Step 9. Learn from your mistakes. What's holding you back? Failure is a part of the process, but it's also an opportunity to learn. When I first started, I made plenty of mistakes, like targeting the wrong audience or wasting time on unproductive tasks. Instead of getting discouraged, I used these experiences to improve. Each mistake taught me what worked and what didn't, and I adjusted my approach accordingly. Don't fear failure. Use it as a tool to refine your strategy and move closer to your goals. Step 10. Stay consistent and keep pushing. Do you give up when things get tough? Consistency is what separates those who succeed from those who don't. Making $10,000 in a month didn't happen overnight. It took weeks of focused effort, long hours, and constant adjustments. But I kept going because I believe in the process. Stick to your plan even when it feels hard. Success is about showing up every day and doing the work even when progress seems slow. Your $10,000 month is possible. So what's stopping you from starting today? The steps I followed are practical and achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. Identify a hustle that works for you, create a plan, and take consistent action. Use social media to connect with your audience, build strong customer relationships, and manage your money wisely. Most importantly, believe in yourself and keep pushing forward. Your $10,000 month is within reach. Start today, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So which tip resonated with you the most? Whether it's smarter budgeting, building passive income, or understanding how to invest effectively, the journey to financial freedom starts with the first step. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What's your biggest money challenge or win? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable tips to transform your finances. Thanks for watching. Stay focused, stay motivated, and let's reach those money milestones together.